Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your Vivo model and Android level so you know which menu labels to expect. Once done, unlock the phone and keep it active. Some options disappear on a locked screen. Next, open Settings and search for Digital Wellbeing or Digital Balance. That's the feature that logs app usage. Tap it to enter. If you see a child or work profile, make sure you're in the primary profile, because history is stored per profile and must be cleared there. Now you'll locate the stored history. Tap Usage, Dashboard, or App Activity inside Digital Wellbeing. Once you see App Statistics, open the three-dot menu or the gear icon to reveal management options. Select Clear Usage Data or Reset Statistics. The label varies by Android skin. Choose the range you want to remove, 24 hours, 7 days, or all time, and confirm. This removes activity timestamps and frequency metrics. If your Vivo uses Digital Balance, repeat identical steps there, because it stores separate records. Finish by restarting the device so the system refreshes indexes and cached reports. That ensures the cleared history no longer appears. If some entries persist, go to Settings. Apps show System Google Play services and settings, then clear cache and storage for those services. That forces a resync and usually removes stuck records. Make sure to repeat the clear operation for any secondary user or work profile. If nothing helps, consider temporarily disabling Digital Wellbeing and re-enabling it to rebuild a clean history.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.